Coming up, here is Morgan's Tavern. This is where they actually film the Benidorm TV show. Always busy around here, especially later on. Right, we're just heading on to the Benidorm Strip now. This is where it all kicks off at night.
Western Saloon.
Yeah, just walking up towards the Western Saloon now. Starting to get busy around here. Yeah, well, just over here you've got the Western Saloon. Now, this bar really gets busy at night. I'm telling you now, it does. And, yeah, lots goes on. And a little bit later into the evening, you've got the Crown Pub. Proper British pub feel. Always busy, especially later on at night. This is what Benidorm's all about at night. Lively, loud, and there's something for everyone. Group photo done? Yeah, I reckon they're off for a proper night out. Well, you can see the atmosphere already picking up. Groups everywhere, everyone getting ready for a big night out. Well, just heading down towards Levante Beach now. This is where everything links up between the Strip and the seafront.